Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 59, Directorate of Education, Class 10, Subject Science. And today we discuss about the new chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. But human eye is out of syllabus now, so we start from the prism, angle of prism and rainbow. So in the last worksheet we already discussed about the refraction. What is the refraction, student? The phenomenon of the bending of the light when it enters from one medium to another. This is called refraction. And what is a prism? A prism is a 3D structure, student. It is a pyramidal piece of a glass with two triangular bases and three rectangular lateral surface. And it is a 2D structure. If you want to see the 3D structure, then visit on the Google and see. Here you easily see two triangular bases and three rectangular lateral surface, and this is the angle of prism. The angle between the adjoining lateral surfaces of a prism is known as angle of prism. What is the refraction through prism? In the last worksheet we discussed about the refraction through a slab, glass slab in the previous chapter, and today we here discuss about the refraction through a prism. Both are different phenomenon, student, and how they are different, because both have refraction but there is a difference among them. If you notice that in the glass slab diagram there is no angle of deviation, but here in the case of prism there is an angle of deviation, because here the direction of the emergent ray is different from the direction of the incident ray, and this leads to the phenomenon of dispersion. But in the glass slab there is no dispersion, there is no angle of deviation. So in the prism you notice two new things. First, the angle of deviation. What is the angle of deviation? The angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray is known as the angle of deviation. Secondly, whenever a light refracts through a prism, it produces dispersion. Okay, students. Now, what is dispersion? Dispersion. When the white light is passed through a glass prism, it splits into 7 constituent color, and this phenomenon of the splitting of white light. White light means sunlight. Student, sun has a white light. सूर्य का प्रकाश सफ़ेद होता है, और जब ये सफ़ेद प्रकाश प्रिज्म में से पास ऑन होता है तो रिफ्रैक्शन के कारण ये 7 कलर्स में स्प्लिट हो जाता है. इस प्रोसेस को बोला जाता है डिस्पर्शन, और ये सीक्वेंस लर्न करनी है आपको बेटा विबग्योर के नाम से. ठीक है, वॉयलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड. This is the sequence, student, and the 7 color band is known as spectrum. The 7 color band is known as spectrum. You see on your right hand side there is a band of the 7 color: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. You see here violet is very much deviated, but the red color is very less deviated. Why? Because the wavelength of the red color is very high. That is the symbol of wavelength. Wavelength of the red color is very high, student. So it not deviate more. Therefore, the reason the danger signals are red, red light is red, indicator of the vehicles are red, because it can't deviate due to the higher wavelength. Okay. Now next is why the spectrum is formed. When the white light, which is a combination of 7 color, passes through the prism, then the all colors with the different angles deviate. Why they deviate? Due to the different wavelength. And one important thing here, red color have the longest wavelength, so it deviate least. इसीलिए बेटा रेड कलर की जो वेवलेंथ है वो सबसे लॉन्ग है, इसीलिए वो डेविएट नहीं करता, करता भी है तो बहुत कम करता है। तभी हमारे डेंजर सिग्नल्स, हमारा जो रेड लाइट एरिया है, रेड लाइट्स जो होती हैं सिग्नल की, वो इवन व्हीकल्स की जो इंडिकेटर्स होते हैं, व्हीकल की जो बैकलाइट्स होती हैं बेटा, सभी रेड कलर से बनाई जाती हैं, ताकि सभी को, अगर फोगी आपका डे है, क्लाउडी डे है, कितना भी धुंध वाला डे है बेटा, धुंध होती है, काफ़ी फोग होता है, तब भी वो रेड कलर विजिबल है। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ। सेकेंड इज वॉयलेट कलर हैव शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ, सो इट डेविएट मोस्ट। बेटा वॉयलेट कलर जो है उसकी वेवलेंथ बहुत ही कम है, वो डेविएट करता है। ब्लू कलर की वेवलेंथ कम है, इसीलिए वो भी डेविएट भी करता है, स्कैटर भी करता है, इसीलिए तो स्काई ब्लू दिखाई देता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज deviation. Angle of deviation is inversely proportional to the wavelength. It means more the wavelength, less the angle of deviation. Next is rainbow. What is rainbow? So it is a natural spectrum that appear in the sky. It is a natural phenomena, student. It is not artificial. It is caused by the dispersion of the sunlight. You see rainbow frequently in your sky. Did it create by you? No, it is a natural phenomenon. Whenever the sunlight passes through the drop of water, then each drop of the water act like a prism and dispersion occurs, and we see a band of 7 colors that is known as rainbow. But their 4 processes are accompanied in the formation of rainbow. What are these processes? See the diagram, students. This is the raindrop, act as a prism. Whenever the white light comes from the sun, it get refracted first. Firstly, it get refracted. It means it changes its medium. Secondly, it disperse. Disperse means it gets splitted into band of the 7 colors. Thirdly, there is a total internal reflection occurs. It means it strike to the surface of a drop and reflect, bounce back to the second surface. And the last is refraction. Refraction means the band of the 7 colors visible to us, that is known as rainbow. So these 4 steps accompanied or complete the process of rainbow. So students, ये 4 स्टेप्स जब कम्प्लीटली फॉलो होंगे तभी हमें रेनबो विजिबल होगा. सबसे पहले रिफ्रैक्शन, नेक्स्ट इज splitting of light, dispersion, thirdly internal reflection, and last one is refraction, and we see the rainbow. Now do the exercise. First is enlist the differences between refraction through a glass slab and a prism. So here is the answer. This is your first answer, student. Second, how rainbow is formed after rain. So this is your second answer. You also have to draw the diagram of the rainbow. Third one, the color red have dash wavelength. Red have longest wavelength. Violet have shortest wavelength. And the last fourth question, define the angle of deviation. What is the angle of deviation, student? You have to draw that diagram in the fourth answer, and also write the angle between incident ray and emergent ray. I think this worksheet is clear up to you. Today we discuss about the formation of rainbow, which is very interesting. And student, if you like, then share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.